everyone, it's Sonia with Shades Daddy, and in this video I'm going to compare the Erica Ray-Bans, which is RB4171. I'm just comparing the colors because this one is the black frame, which is 622/8G, and this one is the tortoise frame, which is 865/13. So I'm going to try on the black frame for you. They are an oversized pilot-shaped lens. It's a 54mm lens with a 18mm bridge and a 145mm temple. The frames are made out of nylon and they have a very soft touch to it. And the arms is a black metal arm that goes onto these tone-on-tone temple tips. That's black. It's the same exact color as the frame. So now I'm going to try on the tortoise or Havana color. And these are a little lighter, not too dramatic to the black. The black does have gray gradient lenses, whereas this one has brown gradient lenses. And another difference with the tortoise is that the metal temples is actually gunmetal, not black. And then it goes on to the same tone-on-tone temple tip, except this one is brown. So it's not the actual same pattern as the tortoise. It's a dark brown temple tip. So if you guys found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other styles you'd like for us to compare for you. And as always, the link to these sunglasses that I talk about are always in the description box down below. So visit shadesdaddy.com and get you a pair of sunglasses today.